Grilled cheese is not just for lunch or dinner. I'm going to show you how to make a dessert grilled cheese that's going to be raspberry, mascarpone, and chocolate, all on a grilled cheese on a brioche bread. Let's throw it down. Alright, this is an easy one. We're just going to start by melting a little bit of butter on our griddle and throwing down our brioche bread. We're going to go ahead and pull that off. I'm just going to set this out here to be assembled. So we're going to smear our mascarpone cheese on each side. So we're just going to get a light bit of that. Should spread nicely. Especially with that warm bread, we'll start to melt it. This cheese melts very, very quickly. We're going to add our raspberries right on top here. Chocolate chips right on top of the raspberries here. Just to kind of get inside those crevices between the raspberries. And then I'm going to actually sprinkle some more over here on top of the mascarpone on this slice. We're going to assemble my sandwich here. And then we're going to move this back over to that griddle. So we're going to hit it with some more melted butter. Let's set our sandwich right down on top of there. And then I'm going to cover it with my dome. Okay. We're going to gently flip this. Oh no, I lost the raspberry. Okay. Now we're going to pull that off. We're going to finish this with a hit of powdered sugar right on top. Cut it in half. We're going to be really gentle so as not to completely squish all of our berries. Is our raspberry mascarpone chocolate grilled cheese, dessert grilled cheese. Let's give it a try. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you try this. Until next time.